we got is a broken drive belt on a bobcat. As you can see, we got the belt here, broken. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to pull the battery out, which I already have out. You take this cover off with this 1/2 inch bolt that goes right here. If you slide the cover, whoop, and pop it off the 2 Allen heads. So when you're installing the new belt, you're going to fish it on that back pulley first, get it underneath your idler or tensioner, and then you're going to start to get it to go on right here. This bolt right here will loosen up the tensioner, and then you clap the belt on. We're going to go ahead and get this belt installed real quick. Gotta grab a wrench for the tensioner, but I hope this is helpful. Alright, so once you get that tensioner loose, you're going to take your ratchet, just stick it right in there, 1/2 inch drive, and just press down, and that'll relieve tension right there. And all you got to do is grab the belt and turn it around. Once you get it all the way on, check the slack, we're looking good. You're gonna pop your cover back in, hold it back down, put your battery in, hook it all up, test the unit, you're good to go. Alright, now we got everything put back together, cover's on, belt's in, battery. Let's fire it up, make sure it all works and everything's good to go. Alright. See if she works. Drop power. Fire it up. There we go, no engine codes, because now we got the pump belt working. So we're gonna go ahead and try some functions, because that's exactly what happens. Alright, she's moving backwards. Bucket's going up. So we're good there. What else she got? Let's restart her. I think it's too much weight. I had it on low idle. So let's turn the idle up. She's good. All functions seem to be working. I'm gonna leave it where it's at so the customer doesn't have to remove it. But that's how you replace the hydraulic drive belt on a bobcat track steer, or skid steer, my bad. Skid steer. There we go. I hope this was helpful for someone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the support. And again, thanks. Till next time.